Presenting a pre-owned 2003 Infiniti I35. This four-door sedan has a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter V6 engine, with front-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Infiniti has less than 100,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 17 miles per gallon in the city, and 24 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include front air conditioning, airbags, anti-lock brakes, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, power door locks, traction control, power windows, and window defogger. Thank you for visiting Michael's Motorcars. Since 1996 we have been the Jersey Shore's premier dealership, specializing in quality automobiles at great prices, guaranteed financing available. Stop in for a test drive today or call 732-775-4444.